Rock, paper, scissors. Beginner level. Introduction. One of the most fun beginner programming projects is building a rock, paper, scissors game. Rock, paper, scissors is a simple game where a player competes against the computer by choosing one of three options: rock, paper, scissors. The computer randomly selects one option, and the program determines the winner. This project is excellent for beginners because it teaches important programming concepts such as user input, conditional statements, random number generation, game logic, loops. It is a great way to learn how to build interactive programs. What is rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors is a hand game usually played between two players. Each player chooses one of three options: rock, paper, scissors. The winner is determined by the following rules. Player choice, computer choice. Result: rock, scissors, rock wins. Scissors, paper, scissors wins. Paper, rock, paper wins. If both players choose the same option, the game is a tie. Game rules. The game follows three basic rules. Rock beats scissors. Scissors beats paper. Paper beats rock. Example: player, rock, computer, scissors. Result: player wins. This simple logic makes the game perfect for beginner programming practice. Simple rock, paper, scissors example. Python. Here is a basic Python implementation. Import random. Choices equals rock, paper, scissors. Computer equals random. Choice. Choices. Player equals input. Enter rock, paper, or scissors. Quote, print. Computer chose. Quote, computer. If player equals computer, print. It's a tie. Quote, if player equals rock and computer equals scissors, print. You win. Quote, if player equals paper and computer equals rock, print. You win. Quote, if player equals scissors and computer equals paper, print. You win. Quote, else, print. Computer wins. Quote, this program allows the player to play one round against the computer. How the program works. Step 1. Import random module. The program uses the random module to generate the computer's choice. Example: import random. This allows the computer to choose randomly between the options. Step 2. Define possible choices. The available choices are stored in a list. Example: choices equals rock, paper, scissors. This makes it easier to select random options. Step 3. Generate computer choice. The computer randomly selects an option. Example: computer equals random, choice, choices. Each round will have a different random result. Step 4. Get player input. The program asks the player to enter their choice. Example: player equals input, enter rock, paper, or scissors. Quote, the user controls the game using keyboard input. Step 5. Determine the winner. The program compares the player's choice with the computer's choice. Example: if player equals computer, print. It's a tie. Quote, conditional statements determine the result. Improved version with loop. You can allow the player to play multiple rounds. Import random. Choices equals rock, paper, scissors. While true, player equals input, enter rock, paper, or scissors, or quit. Quote, if player equals quit, break. Computer equals random, choice, choices, print. Computer chose. Quote, computer. If player equals computer, print. It's a tie. Quote, if player equals rock and computer equals scissors, or player equals paper and computer equals rock, or Player equals scissors and computer equals paper. Print. You win. Quote. Else. Print. Computer wins. Quote. This allows continuous gameplay until the player quits. Concepts learned from this project. This project helps beginners learn. Checkmark lists. Checkmark random numbers. Checkmark user input. Checkmark conditional statements. Checkmark loops. Checkmark game logic. These concepts are widely used in real software development. Real-life analogy. This game simulates the real rock paper scissors hand game played between two people. Instead of another player, the computer generates a random move. The program simply checks the rules and decides the winner automatically. Ways to improve the rock paper scissors game. After completing the basic version, you can add improvements. Examples: score tracking, best of 3 or best of 5 rounds, difficulty levels, graphical interface, GUI, multiplayer support, animated game output. Improving the project helps beginners practice expanding simple programs into larger applications. Common mistakes beginners make. When building this project, beginners sometimes crossmark forget to handle invalid input, crossmark write too many repeated conditions, crossmark forget to import the random module, crossmark do not allow replay options. These problems can be solved through testing and debugging, where similar logic is used. Game logic like rock paper scissors is used in video game development, interactive applications, simulation programs, AI game strategies. Understanding game logic helps programmers build more complex games and interactive systems. Simple definition: rock paper scissors program. A game program where the user competes against the computer by choosing rock, paper, or scissors, and the program determines the winner. Final summary. The rock paper scissors project is a fun beginner programming exercise. It teaches key programming concepts such as checkmark random number generation, checkmark conditional logic, checkmark user interaction, checkmark loops and game flow. By building this project, beginners gain practical experience and learn how to create simple interactive games using code.